Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making the best bread pudding ever. Alright, these are the list of the ingredients that we will be using, and they will be in the description box along with the measurements. So let's jump right into this video. So I'm slicing my brioche bread into cubes, and I'm going to place that into a large bowl. I'm adding some cinnamon to my butter and then mix that and pour that right over the sliced brioche bread. And this is going to add extra buttery flavor. It's just simply amazing. We're going to toss that up, and then we are going to place that on a baking tray, just like that. Bake for about 20 minutes. Then we're going to add our eggs. I'm adding some orange peel. I love that orange peel to egg in these kind of recipes. All right, then we are going to add some vanilla extract. I did add a little bit of almond extract as well, and we are going to whisk this up together. Then add your nutmeg and cinnamon. And we are going to pour our half and half here and some milk, and we are going to whisk that up. As I mentioned, the ingredients that I used will be in the description box. There I am going in with my condensed milk. This smells absolutely amazing. And this is the base for our bread pudding. We are going to strain our custard. Our bread is done, crispy, and tastes absolutely delicious. We are going to oil or butter a Pyrex dish, place the bread in, then pour our custard mixture right over the top. Make sure the bread is really submerged. I did add some raisins. Allow this to bake for about 45 to 50 minutes. In a 350 degrees oven. Guys, this was absolutely delicious, and I hope you guys try this recipe. If you all are new to my channel, I would encourage you to please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.